How to add a member to an LLC in California. To add a member to an LLC in California, first review the LLC's operating agreement. This document typically outlines the process for admitting a new member, including what kind of member approval is needed, such as unanimous or majority consent, and how ownership interests and voting rights are determined. If the LLC doesn't have an operating agreement, California law will govern the process by default. Next, hold a meeting with the current members of the LLC. The members must vote to approve the addition of the new member, and this decision should be documented either in meeting minutes or through a written resolution. You should also record what the new member is contributing to the LLC, whether it's money, property, or services. After approval, amend the operating agreement to reflect the new member. Update the sections that list members, their ownership percentages, profit and loss distribution, and voting rights. Make sure all existing and new members sign the updated agreement. You may also need to file Form LLC 12 Statement of Information with the California Secretary of State, but only if the addition of the new member changes the LLC's management structure or agent for service of process. This form can be submitted online at the Secretary of State's website. If your LLC was previously a single-member LLC and is now becoming a multi-member LLC, you will need to update your tax classification with the IRS. This is usually done by filing Form 8832 to switch from being taxed as a disregarded entity to a partnership. You may also need to update your records with the California Franchise Tax Board to reflect changes in ownership and profit distribution. Finally, notify your business bank to update account signers or ownership records and update any necessary business licenses or permits that include owner information. Be sure to keep copies of all documents, including the amended operating agreement, meeting notes, and any filings or correspondence with government agencies.